Imagine a world where your workday does not feel like a constant battle against time. A world where tasks that used to take hours are completed in minutes, where your ideas flow seamlessly from thought to execution, and where you have the mental clarity to focus on what truly matters. This is not a distant dream. This is exactly what a powerful AI system built around Notion and ChatGPT can do for you, if you know how to harness it properly. Today, we are diving deep into an AI-driven productivity system that can transform the way you work, learn, and create. And no, this is not some vague tech hype. We are talking about a system that will be evolving rapidly in 2026, a system that blends advanced AI tools with practical workflows to give you a complete productivity ecosystem. Let us start with the heart of this system, Notion. Many people think of Notion simply as a note-taking app, but it is so much more than that. Notion is a powerful all-in-one workspace that can manage your notes, databases, tasks, projects, and even personal goals. In 2026, Notion has integrated deeply with AI in a way that allows it to act almost like a personal assistant. Notion AI can summarize long documents, generate ideas, organize your content, and even write drafts for you. For example, if you are managing a content calendar for your blog or YouTube channel, you can feed Notion AI a few keywords or bullet points, and it can generate a detailed plan, complete with content ideas, outlines, and deadlines. Imagine having a system that not only reminds you of what you need to do, but actually helps you plan it with precision. Now, Notion alone is powerful, but when combined with ChatGPT, it becomes unstoppable. ChatGPT is a conversational AI developed by OpenAI that can understand context, answer complex questions, generate text, and even act as a brainstorming partner. In 2026, ChatGPT has evolved to handle highly nuanced workflows, meaning it can not only help you with writing and research, but also assist in creating automations and workflows inside your productivity system. Think about it. Instead of manually creating a database, writing tasks, and figuring out dependencies, you can simply tell ChatGPT what your goals are, and it will generate a fully structured system inside Notion. This means less time spent managing your productivity tools and more time actually doing the work that matters. Let us get into a practical example. Imagine you are a content creator and you want to plan your next 6 months of content across multiple platforms, including YouTube, blogs, and social media. Normally, this would involve spreadsheets, multiple calendars, and hours of brainstorming. But with a Notion Plus ChatGPT system, you start by creating a simple content hub in Notion. You feed ChatGPT details about your brand, target audience, content goals, and existing assets. Within minutes, ChatGPT generates a comprehensive content calendar, complete with topic ideas, suggested formats, optimal posting times, and even draft scripts. Notion AI then organizes all this information into databases, linking related content, tracking progress, and setting reminders for deadlines. Suddenly, what would have taken days of planning is done in less than an hour. But it is not just content creation where this system shines. It is also about learning and research. Imagine you're trying to learn a new skill, like investing in cryptocurrencies or building a side business. With ChatGPT and Notion, you can create a personalized learning hub. You feed ChatGPT your learning goals, the time you can dedicate each day, and your preferred learning style. ChatGPT then generates a structured curriculum, complete with summaries of articles, explanations of complex concepts, and practice exercises. All this is organized inside Notion, where you can track your progress, take notes, and set milestones. What makes this system different from traditional learning methods is that it adapts to your needs. If you struggle with a particular concept, ChatGPT can provide additional explanations, examples, or even simulate real-world scenarios to help you understand it better. One of the most exciting aspects of this system is automation. Productivity is not just about managing tasks, it is about eliminating repetitive work. Notion and ChatGPT together can automate processes that would normally drain your energy. For instance, you can set up a system where emails, meeting notes, and project updates are automatically summarized and added to your Notion workspace. Tools like Zapier or Make can be used alongside this AI system to create powerful automations so that your entire workflow is synchronized and your focus remains on high-value tasks. In practice, this could mean that when a new email arrives, ChatGPT reads it, determines the action required, and updates your Notion database accordingly. You never have to worry about missing a task, losing a note, or forgetting a deadline. Let us not forget about writing and content production. ChatGPT is exceptionally skilled at generating high-quality text. Whether you're writing an article, creating marketing copy, or drafting emails, ChatGPT can produce polished content in seconds. Notion acts as the central hub where all this content is stored, edited, and organized. You can also use Notion AI to further refine the content, ensuring consistency in tone, style, and format. This creates a workflow where ideas move seamlessly from conception to completion, without the friction that normally slows down creative work. The result is that you can produce higher quality content at a fraction of the time. Now, you might be wondering about collaboration. Productivity systems are most effective when they are not isolated. Notion allows teams to work together in real time, and with ChatGPT integrated, collaboration becomes even more intelligent. Team members can ask ChatGPT questions, generate content ideas, or summarize meetings. This reduces misunderstandings, eliminates redundant work, and keeps everyone on the same page. For example, in a product development team, ChatGPT can take notes from customer feedback, summarize key insights, and suggest actionable improvements. All of this can be stored in Notion, accessible to everyone in the team. The result is a collaborative environment where AI augments human intelligence rather than replacing it. One of the most overlooked aspects of productivity is reflection and evaluation. Most people rush from task to task without ever reviewing their progress. Notion and ChatGPT can change that by creating a structured reflection system. You can set up weekly or monthly reviews where ChatGPT analyzes your completed tasks, goals achieved, and areas for improvement. It can even suggest new strategies or adjustments to your workflow based on patterns it detects. This turns your productivity system into a learning machine, constantly evolving and adapting to make you more effective. Let us talk about integration with other tools. While Notion and ChatGPT form the core, the real power comes when you integrate other AI tools to create a seamless ecosystem. Tools like AI Notion Web Clipper allow you to capture research from the web directly into Notion. AI grammar tools like Grammarly or Writerly can polish your content. AI design tools like Canva AI or Figma AI can assist in creating visuals to complement your work. Even AI-driven analytics tools like Tableau AI can help you interpret data, providing insights that guide your decisions. By connecting these tools, your productivity system becomes a complete solution, handling everything from idea generation to execution, analysis, and improvement. A fascinating capability of this system is knowledge management. In the past, information was scattered across documents, emails, and notebooks, making it hard to retrieve exactly what you needed. Notion acts as a central knowledge hub, while ChatGPT helps you access and synthesize that knowledge. You can ask ChatGPT questions about any information stored in Notion, and it will provide clear, concise answers. This is particularly useful for research-heavy work, such as academic projects, business strategy, or market analysis. You no longer need to dig through countless documents. Your AI system does the heavy lifting for you. Let us not forget personal growth. Many people treat productivity systems as purely work-related tools, but the Notion plus ChatGPT system can also help you grow personally. You can track habits, set personal goals, journal, or plan fitness routines. ChatGPT can suggest improvements, provide motivation, or even act as a virtual coach. Notion then organizes this information, allowing you to track progress over time. This holistic approach ensures that your productivity system is not just about doing more work, but about becoming a better, more balanced version of yourself. This is your chance to step into the future of productivity. It is time to stop reacting to the endless stream of tasks and distractions and start designing a life and work system that serves you. The combination of Notion AI, ChatGPT, and a suite of complementary AI tools can make this possible. Embrace the system, adapt it to your needs, and watch as your productivity, creativity, and personal growth reach levels you never thought were attainable. Your next step is simple but powerful. Open Notion, integrate ChatGPT, and begin building your AI productivity ecosystem today. Test it, refine it, and let it grow with you. Before long, you will realize that the hours you used to waste have been reclaimed. Your ideas are flowing faster than ever, and your goals are becoming tangible results. This is the power of AI-driven productivity in 2026.